What's going on, Mixon? It's your favorite channel, and today we're going to take a look at the new collaboration between Marques Brownlee and also Adams. That's right, it is a shoe review. Marques Brownlee is a tech YouTuber who needs no introduction, and Adams is a footwear company that has been making waves in the industry in its innovative and also comfortable design. And I can attest to that because I've been rocking these joints for about a week now. So let's dive into this collaboration and see what it has in store for us. By the way, Mixonites, of course I'm gonna have to say this: subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, share this video. All the links and things of that nature will be down in the description below. First things first, let's talk about the design of this product. The shoe looks sleek and modern with a minimalist approach that blends style and also comfort seamlessly, kind of like my Tesla. The color scheme is subtle and versatile, making it perfect for any occasion, especially if you're a fan of black and also red, like myself. What's interesting to note is that the design pays homage to Marques Brownlee's first YouTube video, which adds a nice personal touch to the collaboration. Moving on to the comfort aspect, Adams is known for its attention to detail when it comes to comfort, and this collaboration is no exception. The shoe comes with a cushioned insole that provides a comfortable fit and support throughout the day. Whether you're running errands or hitting the gym, these shoes will keep you comfortable all day long. By the way, these are a limited edition shoe, but I am going to literally work the crap out of these shoes because my feet, you seen how I train, has no mercy. Now let's talk about the collaboration itself. It's clear that Marques Brownlee and Adams have put a lot of thought and also effort into this product. The collaboration involved a close partnership with both parties, bringing their unique strength and also perspectives to the table to create a truly innovative and also exciting product. You can see the attention to detail in the design and the comfort of the shoe, and it's clear that Marques Brownlee and Adams are passionate about what they do. For instance, the 251 represents the first video MKBHD posted on YouTube with a runtime of 2 minutes and 51 seconds. He also oddly has a passionate relationship with matte black, hence the color. Adams added their spark with the sole and stretchy laces. It also encourages the featherweight shoe. Marques Brownlee and Adams collaboration is a great addition to any shoe collection. These are literally the shoes I've been looking for. I have some Air Jordans here, and to be honest, they are not the most comfortable shoe to wear. Plus, it's a pain putting them on and also taking them off. Let's be honest, nobody really wants to tie their shoestrings. So I kind of have them loose here, and the shoe is typically falling off my feet every time I'm wearing them. I also have these red and black Superstar Adidas that don't really match my personality, but if you can tell, this color scheme is matching my car. Let me end by saying this: I am a consumer reviewer, okay? This is not a sponsored video at all, everybody. I actually wanted this shoe. These shoes to me look pretty awesome. I'm gonna let you comment down in the description and let me know what you think they look like. They feel very comfortable, you know, and it's also got a nice little personal touch to it by the creators here. That being said, I don't personally know MKBHD, so they're not paying me to say this, everybody. I actually like the shoe, so I definitely think you will too. If you're looking for comfort, if you're looking for style, these may be the way to go. On top of that, I am supporting a fellow creator because I do make my own clothing line too, so make sure you go down in the description and buy some merch too. Maybe I have my own shoe coming out pretty soon too as well. The collaboration between Marques Brownlee and Adams is a testament to the power of creativity and also innovation. I for one can't wait to see what they come up with next. That is it today for me, Mixonites. Make sure you go down in the description. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out that link. Check out that shoe review. And also come back next week. We'll have some more workouts going on. I have a mobile app that I'm working on too as well. So I'm excited for that. So hopefully I can be anywhere you are whenever you want me. Okay, so that being said, I will catch you on the next one, or flex with you on the next one. Peace.